Winter chills have finally hit us all, and taking full advantage of this breezy season are our B-Town fashionistas. Bollywood's hot and sizzling divas have found their new fashion fixation this season. Recently, all of them have been caught and captured sporting hot and stylish boots. Right from Kareena to Sonam to Bipasha, all these beautiful ladies seem to love the idea of traveling abroad in boots. Be it for New Year celebration or promotions, all of them were spotted at the airport by our fashion police in boots. First, we spotted sexy Bips boarding a flight to Ahmedabad for Players promotion. While we loved the boots, but we hated the look altogether. Bips darling, you're promoting Players, not race. And talking about race, we also spotted Bipasha's race co-star Saif Ali Khan at the airport, in tow with his lady love Kareena Kapoor. And we just couldn't take our eyes off those hot suede boots that Bebo chose to flaunt. She definitely gets a thumbs up from our fashion police. But if you really dig in for boots, here is how to get it right. Our fashion police spotted Sonam rocking in boots with mini skirts and tie. It's a thumbs up for Sonam too. And if you are those lucky people outside Mumbai where it is cold this winter, so Piggy Chops should be your icon. And for all the yummy mummies, look up to Gauri Khan to figure out how to look a total sizzler in the boots. So these were few B-Town divas who have found their love this winter season and truly know how to flaunt it right. Recently held Mumbai Police Awards saw a dash of Bollywood celebs getting snapped by the paparazzi. Right from the rival Khans to Big B's Dharam Paji, Himalayan beauty queen Kangana Ranaut, Hilary Kumar to Ajay Devgan, all were spotted at this extravagant event. Even amidst this huge celeb fanfare, Priyanka Chopra's absence became hard to miss out on. Well, if you're wondering that this sizzling diva was away holidaying or completing another of her busy shooting schedule, you're surely wrong. Piggy Chops was very much present at the event. But our shutterbugs missed out this chirpy diva as she kept to herself in her vanity van throughout the event. We hear that Priyanka was to perform at the Mumbai Police Award event, but at the last moment, Priyanka collapsed at the event venue due to low blood pressure. The buzz is that Priyanka has not been keeping too well these days. In fact, on the very day of the event, Priyanka had just wrapped up shooting for her upcoming film, Teri Meri Kahani, in Aurangabad and was busy the whole day, completing the dubbing of her soon-to-be-released Agnipath. Well, darling, after such a hectic schedule, health woes just seemed round the corner. But unfortunately, due to Priyanka's bad health, her performance had to be cancelled and she soon left the venue to return home. But while we have missed out on capturing Piggy Chops, we surely didn't miss out as Ranbir, Farhan and Shah Rukh make their way out of a vanity van, probably after checking on good friend Priyanka's health. But Priyanka's fans have nothing to worry about. The very next day, Priyanka was spotted enjoying good friend Farhan Akhtar's birthday bash and she surely did look stunning as ever. Another star who remained conspicuously away from the shutterbugs was the perfectionist Khan, completing the trio of the competing Khans at the event. While Amir chose to hide from the media, we couldn't ignore a few celebs who tried hard to get all the attention possible. Take a look as Tushar Kapoor couldn't get himself to move away from the shutterbugs, even though he had to attend an important phone call. Meanwhile, even though Priyanka's bad health may have played a spoil sport at the event, her once upon a time good friend Akshay Kumar didn't fail to disappoint the audience. Aki, who recently enjoyed his shoulder shooting the climax of his upcoming movie Rowdy Rathore, continued to enthrall the audience with his performance. Well, these were just a few highlights of the event, and surely they are enough for us to say the night truly was an eventful one. We all know that recently news have been doing rounds about lovebirds Soha Ali Khan and Kunal Khemu living in together. So recently when we spotted Soha at an event, we couldn't stop ourselves from asking her about this news. But knowing Soha, she came up with a very witty reply.
No! I love reading about myself and my life in the papers. I think in media लोग बहुत बेचैनी से इंतजार करते हैं या तो ब्रेकअप के लिए या तो मेकअप के लिए या तो कुछ और के लिए और जब सब कुछ आपके सामने हो ही रहा है तो फिर कुछ फिक्शनलाइज भी हो जाता है तो अब तक कुछ ऐसा हुआ नहीं है.
Okay, fine, Soha. We agree that you're not living in with Kunal, but at least give us some dope on when do you plan to tie the knot?
Weddings, so hopefully our family will provide you with one wedding in 2012. That should be enough for now.
Oof, Soha, you've dodged our question again. Looks like you've learnt the art of being diplomatic really well. But at least you've confirmed that Saifo and Bebo will surely tie their wedding knot in 2012. And now that you've started the topic on your brother's wedding, why don't you also tell us about the month and date for which the wedding has been decided?
Actually, month मुझे खुद पता नहीं. मुझे सिर्फ पता है कि एजेंट विनोद 23rd of March रिलीज होने वाली है. वो पक्का है और उसके जल्द बाद ही शादी होने वाली है.
And before we end the show, we leave you with these interesting visuals of our B-Town stars celebrating their birthday this year. Take a look.